If you have ever tried comparing gold IRA cost online, you have probably run into this call for pricing. But what if you could see the real numbers, no phone call required? Most gold IRA companies make you jump through hoops just to get a straight answer on fees. They will say things like custom pricing or ask you to call for details. But that usually means the price changes based on how much pressure you can handle. That's why I like how Augusta lays it out. The setup and pricing guide shows you everything: the one time setup fees, the annual custodian and storage fees, even a sample breakdown of what to expect year to year. I've linked this one in the description. Now, compare that to sites that won't even publish a ballpark estimate. When the numbers are clear up front, you don't need to sit through a pitch. You can compare on your own terms. This pricing sheet is just one part of Augusta's Gold IRA Ultimate Guide, a free bundle that includes 8 separate PDFs. Each guide walks you through a different step of the Gold IRA process, from setup to storage to buyback policies. If you want to make sense of all the moving parts without pressure, the full bundle is worth having on hand. You can download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide totally free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and it gives you real numbers, not vague sales promises. If you're ready to compare options with confidence, the download link is right below this video.